Big changes don't come from big moves. They come from small actions repeated again and again. What feels tiny today can shape everything tomorrow. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be a little better than yesterday. Small progress, done daily, quietly becomes extraordinary. Every habit follows a simple pattern. Something catches your attention. You feel the urge to act. You respond. And the reward teaches your brain to repeat it. The easier a habit feels, the more likely it stays. When effort is reduced, consistency grows. New habits don't need to be big. They only need to begin. Start so small that it feels impossible to fail. Lasting change isn't about what you want to achieve. It's about who you choose to become. Every small action is a vote for your future identity. Motivation fades, but environment remains. When your surroundings support you, good choices become natural. Progress is often invisible at first. Growth happens quietly beneath the surface. Those who stay consistent are the ones who break through. And patient consistency are how real change is built.